No, I just came to discuss regarding some development work. One is main thing is the hospital, Ribandar Hospital. So
Okay.
I said we must have a full-fledged hospital. Which I think I was telling CM that let us shift the OPD actually from there. We start the OPD from there. See, these were the two hospitals. One was Goa Medical College earlier, now where Inox is come, and other was this. I said both the hospitals are closed, so we need to this, So CM has given me a favorable listing. I had spoken to the health minister also. Health minister and we will be going for inspection.
Right,
One of these days. With the
It's next to
GM
church, no? Or
yes, next to
Got
here,
gym.
Ribandar old hospital which was there.
Okay.
To revive that hospital. I said let that hospital be a full-fledged hospital how it was earlier. Because we had two hospitals in Panjim. So now we don't have none.
Panji Urban Health Center is not enough.
Not enough. This will be a full-fledged hospital. No, I'm saying where OPD, when all the small operations and all can
admit
take
the
place.
patient.
Yeah, that should be.
Okay. And
That is one thing. Another thing, just to follow up on the smart city works too.
Okay.
Smart city, the CCTV supposed to install it. What happened about that thing?
See, I thought it was a wasteful expenditure because at the time that they had what they had said is 180 crore rupees. For 180 crore rupees you can develop so much. I think full Panjim can be redeveloped for 180 crore rupees. That is a lot of this thing. So first of all, our infrastructure which has been crumbling, that should come basically be done in proper shape first. See, Santinez Nala is the main priority. We have been discussing this Santinez Nala for almost 25 years. Everyone's manifesto Santinez Nala appears. But the moment after the election, Santinez Nala goes under the carpet. So we are here to see that the Santinez Nala comes. We'll see the light of it. No, action plan means, see, now what has been from WRD, the smart city has roped in good engineers and all this.
Okay.
They have already have plans in place. Now next to where is that fire brigade? That that culvert which is that small bridges and that is almost near to collapse, near the Thomas's garage. That planning has already been done. I think all these things are actually waiting as far as the tendering process is concerned.
These all things will be under smart city.
All these things will be under smart. Something is Nala, then widening of the road, the Tonkar road and all.
पण इथले काम पेंडिंग उरलं बाबू जाल्यार एका एक देड
No,
वर्सान
no.
जातले दिसता तुमचे
See, कितें आयलें म्हाका 5 वर्सां मेळोंक ना. It is just to do this thing. So let us not complain of what is the time I have left. So whatever the time is left with me, I should see that the maximum work I can get done. And tomorrow we cannot say. Tomorrow smart city, the full concept of smart city may go off because it is a central government fund. That's the reason what I am trying to say. We should take the advantage of this. Because as far as the smart city is concerned, it is 50-50. 50% from the. So what we can get today, whatever roads, whatever we can get done. Because ultimately, to make the city smart, that is the most important. So what government pays today is just a 50% of it. So it suits actually Panjim, and we should take the smart city basically should take advantage, and government should take advantage of this smart city.
पणजी बस स्टँड विचार करपाचो
The PP bus stand Korpache that project was long due and pending. I think GSIDC is doing it, or maybe they may put it on smart city also.
Okay, तुमका दिवपाक शकता स्मार्ट सिटी.
No, Zoom is smart city. There's nothing done. We are just a member of the smart city, and smart city is the full the main this thing is of smart city is Panjim only. It is only because of it's a corporation. Smart city can go nowhere. So it is only the corporation area where the development can take place.